Hi there! Today I would like to bake some bread rolls with you. Bread rolls according to an ancient Roman recipe by Cato the Elder. And what is special about these bread rolls is that they are made with grape juice and cheese. Now, grape juice, or rather grape must, can serve, if it's fresh, as a natural yeast, and as you might know, I've already made 2 videos in this channel about this issue. But as it's not always easy to find fresh grape must, you can also use packed grape juice and add a little bit of yeast to it. Now, these are the ingredients that we are going to use today. We have 1 pound, about 3.5 cups of all-purpose wheat flour. We have about 100 grams of white cheese, which is, in this case, it's a firm ricotta. You could also use feta, for example. We have a little bit of olive oil. We have fresh grape juice, but as I said, you could also use grape juice and then add a little bit of normal baker's yeast. We do have, as spices, some aniseeds and a little bit of cumin. We have some bay leaves. Now, we are simply going to mix the grape juice. Remember, if you don't have fresh grape must, add some baker's yeast as well. And we add this cheese. You see, that's about the consistency we would like to have. Four tablespoons of olive oil. 1, 2, 3, 4. And half a teaspoonful each of aniseeds and cumin seeds. And now we knead this into a homogeneous dough. Now we cover the dough with a clean cloth and leave it to rise for a couple of hours. Now I'm gonna knead that dough once more. And after this, we form little bread rolls, and under each one we stick a bay leaf, like that. Cover and leave for another hour. Bake for 20 minutes at 180 degrees Celsius.